Hello my children, how are you all? Today we are going to make muffins. To make muffins we require a lot of things. Some things we are going to use for cooking, some we'll just use for measuring, others we'll use for mixing. Some things we are going to just use simply to save our clothes from getting dirty, and the rest are some of the ingredients that we are going to mix to make yummy, delicious muffins. Now, let me tell you how to start. First, you should wear an apron. This apron is going to protect your clothes from getting dirty. Otherwise, there might be some things that would fall on your clothes and they'll become spoiled. Then, you need a bowl, a spoon, a measuring jug. Along with that, you need some ingredients to make the muffins. Now, I am making chocolate chip muffins. So, I'm using chocolate chips, flour, sugar, eggs, baking powder, and milk. Now, let me tell you, some of these are dry ingredients and some are wet. Like flour is dry, sugar is dry, so are chocolate chips, and so is the baking powder. However, eggs and milk will be wet ingredients. Now let's cook it. Let's make our chocolate chip muffins. For that, I'm going to use a bowl and a spoon to mix. Put in the flour first in the bowl. Put in the baking powder. Now mix these two with the help of a spoon. Put in the sugar. Put in the chocolate chips and mix with the spoon. Put in the eggs. Mix with the spoon. Put in the milk. Mix with the spoon. Now bake this mixture of muffins in the oven. And yum! You will have yummy muffins. Now let's put our mixture in the oven. Bake the muffins in the oven and you will have yummy chocolate chip muffins. Have fun eating!